Good morning and Assalamu alaikum, girls. Today is Thursday, 10th December 2020. This is Miss Amara here, and we have to do formal letter writing today. Today we have to write a letter to the editor of newspaper suggesting remedies to improve law and order situation in Pakistan. We have already done the formal letters. You know the pattern of the formal letter. Girls, we have to write the double address in the formal letter. Then we write the subject, and then comes the body of the letter. Okay, let us see what we have to write here. First of all, we have to write examination hall. We have to put comma after examination hall. Don't forget to put comma after writing examination hall. Then you have to write city ABC. You have to put full stop. Then you have to write date. The day is not necessary. If you want to write the day, it's okay, but it isn't necessary. So write December 10 comma 2020, then comes the full stop. Then you have to skip one line. Then you have to write the editor comma the news full stop. Then comes the subject. Skip one line, write down the subject: deteriorating law and order situation in the country. Then again skip one line and write sir comma I am writing to your esteemed self to express my deep concern over deteriorating law and order situation in the country. The incidents of thefts and jewelry snatching etc. are on the increase. There is an atmosphere of insecurity and fear in the entire locality. We, the residents of locality, have lodged a written complaint with the local police station in which we are requesting the SHO for permanent patrolling by the cops during the evening. In spite of our repeated complaints, no action has been taken. Now, I, on behalf of the residents of country, have decided to bring the attention of concerned authorities to the problem through the medium of esteemed newspaper. I am hopeful that you will help us bringing normalcy to our country by publishing this letter in your reputed newspaper. Then we have to skip one line. Yours truly, X, Y, Z, and comes the full stop. This is the ending of the letter. You have to write this letter in a neat and clean way on your notebooks. Okay.